Love the comfort of your gym clothes but want to look more put together? I'm Stitch Fix stylist Liz, and I have some tips that'll help you take your matching sets from the gym to chic. First of all, I'm a big matching set fan. We have Stitch Fix math right here. You get 2 pieces that you can mix and match, so you know you have an outfit together, but the opportunities are endless to mix and match each piece with different pieces in your closet. Starting with a matching active set is going to give you a fantastic base. There's just something that instantly feels put together when you have 2 pieces that match. Do you know what I mean? A simple tip that is going to really up-level your athleisure looks is layering. You've got the base, you know it's comfortable. So we're going to build an outfit from there. You could try layering on a wrap top for that very ballet core chic, a striped top like this, or something with a pattern to bring in more texture. And then you can't go wrong with the classic jean jacket, or really any basic jacket that you love. So if you have a pair of leggings, try a longer sock and bunching it down, kind of giving that leg warmers look. Fashion sneakers are having a big moment. Try something chunky like a New Balance. It still has that athletic look, but it has a trendy chic feel to it. You could also tuck your leggings into boots. I love the idea of a boot, an oversized t-shirt, and an oversized denim jacket. Try adding a third piece, like an accessory, a bag, or a hat. Even better if you have a bag with a bag charm for a little bit of character. Adding layered necklaces or hoop earrings instantly elevates your outfit. Putting together unexpected pieces brings a interesting fashion element to any of your looks. Play with proportions. If you're wearing baggy joggers, try a fitted top or a tucked-in tank. Adding unexpected elements and elevated pieces is really going to up-level those athleisure looks so you can wear them all the time. You can still be comfy and stylish. I promise you that. Drop a comment below if you're going to try these tips. Bye!